This thing cannot eat that worm. It's just a regular night crawler. I can't believe it's taking it this long to eat a worm. The same bass has eaten minnows in seconds. Well, there you go. It took it. It's still eating it. Still has it hanging out of his mouth. And it's 6 minutes already. It's got it in his mouth at least now. Oh my goodness. This bass has killed catfish, calico, shiners, everything you can think of, but it cannot eat that worm. This is the first time I put a worm in there. I think it's finally got it. Well, there you go. 7 minutes and I can still see the end of the worm coming out. Look at that. What is up with this? Worm almost got away that one time I got in that shell. I just wanted this freaking thing to eat it. You can see its gut starting to swell up though, so it's in its stomach. Let's see if it'll open up. Nope, it's still poking through. Really, fish? My goodness. I never thought it would be this long. I thought this would be a 5-second process. Oh my god, I give up. Well, there you go. Oh, I feel like just giving up. I just want to see how long it takes to eat this worm now. And like, it looks like it's done, and then the worm pokes its head out again. Look at that. It's still out. I think the bass is just messing with it now. So he does a shiner and minnows in there with it. It's a largemouth bass and 2 China minnows. The catfish in there also. Catfish are hiders though. See, that's a catfish tail. There's a catfish in that shell right there. You can't really see him though. And here's a there's turtles in here. A red belly and a painter. This is the longest process ever. I thought for sure this bass would eat that so fast. Really? I guess they don't really have any rush though. That Shiner almost got it the one time. Okay, I'm gonna say it's done now, I think. I can't really tell. I mean, it's not fully digested yet. It's still in its mouth, poking out, I think, a little bit. But it's mainly in there. So 10 minutes. There you go. It took a bass 10 minutes to eat a worm, and I just seen the end of it still. See it? Really? Okay, well that's the end of the video. I mean, 10 minutes eating a worm. Gotta end it. This is ridiculous. A largemouth bass. Okay, yeah, I'm done. It's still in his mouth, though. You'd think it would be swallowed by now.